You just heard the BJP clearly blaming you, saying that all these years it was the Aam Aadmi Party that was ruling Delhi. But his point is also right. There has not been a single winter when Delhi has not been named as among the worst polluted cities in the world when Aam Aadmi Party was also there in power.
Deepak ji, by claiming that Delhi's air quality has improved, the environment minister is misleading the people of Delhi. We are still breathing that hazardous, toxic air. National air pollution is still a national health emergency. And it's not just about Delhi, it's about a large part of northern India, wherein Aam Aadmi Party is not ruling. And just now, BJP spokesperson said that believe in DPCC and CPCB data. And if you want to believe in that data, CPCB itself has capped the AQI from 1000 to 500 so that it doesn't reflect correct figures. Secondly, the chief minister itself has openly admitted that water is being sprinkled around AQI monitoring stations just now in an interview, just to prevent Delhi people from seeing the real pollution levels. And this is a deliberate attempt to mask the data and project that the air is clean. Secondly, how can you expect the Delhi government to eliminate pollution when its own leader doesn't even know what AQI means? She said that AQI is a temperature. So my point is that BJP has tried every trick to fool the people. First, they sprinkled water around monitoring station to hide real numbers. Then they got CPCB to cap AQI readings from 1000 to 500, so truth never shows. After that, they manipulated the data. And when people came out on street demanding clean air and clean environment, which is their fundamental right, they were being lathi charged and thrown into jail. And even when this isn't enough, they are now creating their own air quality standards. And the day is not far when they will say that air pollution has magically disappeared and AQI will fall below 100. And if anyone dares to talk about the rising pollution, they will say, go and get your eyes checked. बात यही कहेंगे जब इनका एयर मॉनिटरिंग स्टैंडर्ड आ जाएगा, फिर ये कहेंगे जी AQI 100 से कम हो गया. जब हम कहेंगे पोल्यूशन इतना ज्यादा है, हवा उतनी ही दूषित है, तो ये कहेंगे भैया आप चेक करा लो, अपनी आपकी आंखों में कमी है, पोल्यूशन तो बहुत कम हो चुका.
In fact, let me also bring in,
if they had the intent, then they had governments in more than 22 states. आप बताइए, tell me a single state where the pollution level is under control, which is ruled by BJP. 83 out of the 100 most polluted cities in Asia are in India. 13 out of the 20 most polluted cities in the world are in India. And most of them are ruled by BJP. आप NCR की बात कर लीजिए. You are sitting in Noida. Go outside, check the AQI readings and show him the reality.